السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. بسم الله والحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده وعلى آله وصحبه الموفين بعهده. Honorable judges and my dear brothers and sisters, I'm quite delighted and excited to be here on this hilarious, auspicious, wonderful, grand occasion. And I thank for the Almighty Allah who has given me this platinum opportunity to stand in front of you. And I also thank for the organizers. In this priceless occasion, I would like to share with you something about on the topic, Future of Indian Democracy, a Deep Integration. Dr. Ambedkar said that if irresponsible hands control our democracy, the democracy will die and India will lose the very basic idea of democratic freedom. In the present scenario, that's what we are seeing right now. Before going to the topic, first of all, we have to know what is democracy. A democracy means a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. In a democratic freedom, every person's voice, rights, and freedoms are respected and protected. It is a system where people choose their leaders. When we analyze the historical democratic movements, we can see so many developments like since the beginning there is 5-year plan. And in 1992, the finance minister Manmohan Singh started globalization. It helped a lot in the democratic movement of India. And there are so many notable democratic movements like this in the past. But by the starting of BJP Sarkar, India's democratic system totally changed. It totally changed, and it became, by the starting of second government, and emboldened BJP has launched a steady, comprehensive and unprecedented attack on civil liberties, personal rights and on minorities of rural areas. In the present scenario, what we are seeing is, in one hand they use tribe, religion, caste as a tool for control and dividing people based on their identities instead of their ideas. And simultaneously, on another hand, they project is nothing on social media and making fake news and solving that fake news themselves and claiming victory and becoming star on public. That's what the hell that they are doing. Is it democracy, my brothers? What's happened on the Taubal and what's happened on the Kargon? In the Taubal district of Manipur, 2 women were stripped, naked, paraded, and sexually assaulted by large gang of RSS men. The saddest thing is, when they asked help to the policemen also supported RSS men and gave them to the RSS men. What is the democracy, my brothers? And in the Kargon district of Madhya Pradesh, by Ram Navami clashes, 29 houses and 16 houses of Muslim were demolished by municipal authorities. Where is the democracy, my brothers? Moreover, they do vote polarization, communal polarization, and do electronic voting machine cheating. Like our vote will only go to NDA. Whether we are going to any party, our vote will only go to NDA. This type of electronic voting machine cheating, and they are saying to people not eating certain food like beef. Is it democracy? And there are so many unscientific deeds like this they are doing right now. And they do, and the minor communities being accused by population jihad, love jihad, and this type of so many unscientific deeds being accused by minor communities. This type of so many unscientific activities they are doing right now. So what is the future? We have to think about future right now. If it is going like this, there won't be a democracy, as Ambedkar said. A silent population is the most dangerous issue. When people stop questioning, stop caring, stop voting, then democracy will die without a sound. So, my dear brothers and sisters, a democracy can survive when votes are bought, manipulated, influenced, or stolen. When constitution become a decoration instead of direction. When power goes unchecked, when truth is weakened, when silence becomes safer than honesty, the death of democracy will happen. The death of democracy is never sudden. It is man-made. We have to work together to make a future where India is secular, democratic, and socialist. We have to work together to make an India where India is secular, democratic, and socialist. We have to work together to make an India in the future where India is secular, democratic, and socialist. That's all, my brothers. Thanks for having me. Have a nice day and have a nice and good day to everybody. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.